All right, let's do it. Let's wrap this beautiful blue, green, whatever, let's wrap it. All right, so you're gonna take the 80-inch side of the pad. You're gonna let it drape over the front so you have a couple inches still on the ground so that when you wrap it tight, you don't accidentally lift the pad up and reveal the ankles of the piece. Then we're gonna politely, like we're wrapping a present, take the pad from the front to around back so we know which way the front is. The front is the most beautiful side. Everyone wants to look at the front. So now that I got the back kind of nice and the front kind of nice, I'm gonna go ahead and put my appropriate sized bands on. I don't want too much stretch or too little stretch. Put one on top and one on the bottom. That will keep the piece nice and secured to the pad. Let's kind of do some final adjusting here to make it look nice, real nice. And yeah, there she blows.